Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Scion FR-S in hot lava on black interior. So I'll just start over at the rear of the vehicle. We'll let you have a look at the trunk area. So here's the trunk on the FR-S. And we've got the mats here. There is a release up there to fold the seat down. I believe there's another one just over here as well. And we'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk lid. Have a look from the back. So it's got the nice black high gloss vinyl wrap there on the trunk that goes up and over. We've got the nice clear tail lights there, the silver FR-S badging. We've got the dual exhaust and the center reverse light. So we'll just shift around. We'll have a look from the side here. So there's the rear wheel. So it's got nice black calipers, painted rotors, nice brand new Continental tires on there. Looks great. Over at the passenger side, we've got nice red baseball stitching. We've got the vinyl insert. We've got our power windows, power locks, and chrome door handle. Here's the kick plate on the passenger side. It's in good shape, as you can see. We've got the nice premium carpeted mats with the FR-S logoing. We've got the manual recline and manual fore aft. And this is a nice Alcantara-like fabric, or a micro suede type fabric with the red baseball stitching as well. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. It's got the nice large bolsters here at the back as well. So I'll just move the back seat forward, or sorry, the back of the seat forward so you can see. So there's the back seat area. Looks good. And then put that back into position. And as I get in, just have a peek in the door frame, nice and tidy. And we'll have a look here on the glove box. So it's got the books, that's great. And see, that's the wheel lock key, that's perfect. And we've got the nice dash finish here. It's got like a carbon fiber type look. And have a look up top as well, looks good. And let's hop out and close this side up. And I'll just step to the back of the vehicle and we'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. What an awesome looking color, love it. There's your badging there at the front with a little vent. And here's your other front wheel. So again, nice Continental tires, painted rotors, painted calipers, looks good. And we'll shift around to the front of the car. So under the hood, we've got the 2-liter H4 motor, double overhead cam, Boxer motor, which is 200 horsepower, and that's paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. And it's nice and tidy under here, it looks great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood. There we go. Have a look from the front. So we've got the nice halogen projector style headlights with the clear lenses. We've got the turn signals down below there. Nice look on the front of the vehicle here. And again, that nice stripe that goes up and over. Very cool. So in terms of issues, there's one little tiny mark right here. See if I can find anything else to point out. And that's about it. Overall, it looks really good. So we'll move around. Here's your other front wheel. So again, brand new tires, Continentals, black painted calipers, painted rotors. Looks great. Same thing back here. Awesome, so we'll move on to the driver's side. So again, we've got baseball stitching. We've got our power mirror control here. We've got our power windows for the 2 front windows. We've got our power locks and window lockout as well. Nice pocket there for storage. Nice looking car. Here's the kick plate along the driver's side. Looks good. And again, we've got our manual recline here, and this one raises and lowers the sport seat. And then we've got our manual fore and aft in the front there as well. You've got a fuel door release there on the floor. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. Let's get in, we'll fire this one up. All right. So in terms of kilometers, we have 19,596, so nice and low. We've got the gauges there in the white, looks great. We've got the redundant speedometer, so we've got it in digital as well as the analog over here. And headlights are controlled over here. We've got the buttons here for the dash. Down below we've got trunk release, we've got our dimmer switch, and let's see, there's a release here, and it's got tilt and telescopic steering wheel. We've got our cruise control switch just right here, and we've got the key right there. Nice red baseball stitching in the steering wheel, looks great. Over here is our radio, so it is a Scion factory radio with made by Pioneer. So if we hit source, we've got FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, auxiliary, AM, FM, CD. So some different options. It's got Bluetooth, so there is telephone controls built in. Down below we've got a clock, we've got our manual temperature controls. So we've got AC here. Let's see, so that's blowing nice and cold, that's great. And you've got your USB and auxiliary port just right here. A nice little pocket for storage. You've got your sport mode. When you press that, it lights up here. VSC Sport turns off the traction. You can also just turn off the traction by itself. And then we've got a little spot for storage, 12-volt socket down here, and a pair of cup holders. The oil change has been done, so that's all good. And we've got our entry light up here as well. Rear view mirror. That's great. So we'll just hop out now with it running. We'll have a look and a listen. Cool sound to it. And I'll show you here from the front. There it is with the lights on. And we'll just move along this side of the vehicle so you can see the condition. Hot lava, I love the color. Great accents with the black gloss. Very neat looking car. And there you have it, folks. 2014 Scion FR-S in hot lava and black interior here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.